Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well today. My name is Brad Cartwright and I'm a teacher of IB Economics here in Santiago, Chile. And this video will tell you all about the upcoming IB Economics teacher workshop on understanding IB assessments. That's paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, and the internal assessment. If you're looking for current dates and times of how to enroll in the next workshop, click on the description box below. It'll take you to the website, provide you with all of that information. And before you watch this introductory video, just know that every teacher workshop is designed to do one thing, and that's to fill the gap between what the IB tells us we got to do and how to actually do it in the IB Economics classroom. This 3-hour workshop is designed for new and experienced IB Economic teachers who are looking for strategies to help improve their students' performance on all of the IB assessments. That's IB Economics Paper 1, Paper 2, Paper 3 for HL students, and of course the internal assessment. Here's the thing. We start off this journey as IB Economics teachers with content, but ultimately the students need to perform on these assessments that come to us from the IB. So we get what we have to teach, and then they have to perform here. And this workshop is designed to help you understand what those tasks are. What's the end game? What does paper 1 ask? What does paper 2 ask? What about paper 3? And then this internal assessment. How does it all go together to create an IB composite score for IB Economics? That's the purpose of this workshop. We will talk about the 5 essential skills for success on all of those assessments. We will talk about ways in which students can structure their answers to make sure they're hitting the mark scheme. And most of all, the idea of this workshop is that you leave feeling empowered. And through empowerment, we feel calm in the classroom because we know what the end is. And therefore, throughout the entire course of study, that's 2 years, the entire course of study, we can be confident that what we do on every given day is exactly connected to the skills and the content that our students will need on the exams. All right? So this and all of the workshops on this platform are all designed around the same idea to fill the gap between what the IB expects us to do and how to actually do it in the classroom.